Gates open, they're up and racing. Capricciosa draws for their lead. Moving up, Elgin and Chairman, and on the outside to a Victorian Stones. Macalelon, rider JG Tinte left unseated as they make their first turn. Capricciosa in command by about 2 lengths to a Victorian Stones to take second. Elgin and Chairman is by the rail moving up. Speedy Kim, Shades of Red comes next. Then comes 5 o'clock followed now by Super Elegant. Terrible Friend, Zing Melody is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the 1,000-meter mark, we have Capricciosa continues to dictate terms by about 3 lengths. Victorian Stones closing in second. Speedy Kim remains in third. Running in fourth, Elgin and German. Shades of Red, 5 o'clock, Super Elegant, Terrible Friend. And a long way back to Zing Melody. Heading towards the last 600. Capricciosa throwing a challenge now is the stablemate. Victorian Stones closing in by the rail. Elgin and Chairman. Speedy Kim drops back in fourth. Down in fifth, Shades of Red. Then comes 5 o'clock followed by Super Elegant. Terrible Friend and Zing Melody still in behind them as they turn for home. Now we have 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Now we have once again Capricciosa running on between runners Elgin and Chairman. Victorian Stones is already outside. We have Capricciosa, Elgin and Chairman moving up in between runners and already outside Victorian Stones. Elgin and Chairman leading the field, and finally Elgin and Chairman. Victorian Stones. Then comes Capricciosa, Speedy Kim, 5 o'clock. Shades of Red, Super Elegant, Zing Melody, and Terrible Friend.